So here's how to remove the shifter knob of a Hyundai Santa Fe from 2001 to 2009. They might have kept it the same after that, but I don't know. I just have the book for 2001 to 2009. And yeah, first you turn on the car. Then you put on the emergency brake. Shift it into reverse or neutral or something, as far back as you can get it. Then you turn the car off. Then you vape some Dairy Dreams deep fried ice. That was not promotional. I did not get paid for this. Take your screwdriver, 2 screws right here. They're not going to come out, they just loosen up. The leather gets in the way of them coming out. If you have a different one, they'll probably come out or something. Make sure they don't drop. Or if they do, you can just pick them up. There's probably nowhere for them to go. Hold the button in so it doesn't pop out. And it just comes out. This piece goes like this. As you can see, the button comes out. It does pop out. When you put it back on, like so, there you go. Now this piece, right here, this operates like this. And when you push the button in, as you can see, there's a little roller right here. It pushes this piece down so that it can be free to shift. That's how it works. Okay, have a good afternoon. And to put it back together, just make sure everything's in the proper position. This actually should not be sticky like that. I put it in wrong. And just pop it back on there. Make sure the button is free floating. Pop it back on. And screw it back up. And you're good to go.